meet a bitch, fuck a bitch, next thing you know you fucking a bitch. They just pass around shit, pass the shit like a coal and shit. Fuck. Now when I'm fucking off gin, I'm invincible. Don't love no hoe, that's my principle. Cause bitches come, bitches go. That's why I get my nut and I be out the fucking dough. They might be the one to set me up, wanna get their little brother to wet me up. That's why I throw text and stuff to get them off my face just in case a little fucker ends up misplaced. I would give a bitch enough to catch the bus. And when I see the scene and I'm leaving, bitches be scheming, I kid you not. That's why I keep my windows locked and my block hot. One hoe said, thug nigga till the end, tell a friend, bitch. Cause when I like it, then you go and fuck my friend, bitch. These hoes, I keep them in flavors like Timbos and Jabos. Bitches just like to play the merry-go. It was me, D, the MPV, the blunts and blue thing, knocking some Wu-Tang, M-E-T-H, oh shit, look at them lips and them hips on that bitch. He hit the dip, so I could drop a macadocious shit, like the blunt tip, and recognize a dip. Needless to speak, the G's obsolete, don't sleep, bang the skins in the week, on the creep up the avenue. I seen her on the block, who she rapping to? That's my nigga D, and he got G, now she fucking him and fucking me. See, you know that ain't right. Like a moon player star, she still sweat me hard cause I'm a rap star. I'll be cruising up the block, I'll be passing her, pimping hard with the female passenger. And the only time I call her to hang is when me and D's running up. Is he scheming on a gangbang? She should've used the intuition, then she wouldn't be classified in that position. Listen, she's saying that this cause I'm fucking her sister. A message to the brothers that really get some pissed. But she started that fucking family. She fucked my man D, so why she mad at me? Fucking used to look better than you, give head better than you, pussy get better than you, so break the fuck out like a rash. I'm glad I ain't spent no cash to hit your ass.
Yeah.